Hello! Do you find it difficult to grow your hair past a certain point? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to be talking about the #1 factor to hair growth that for some reason no one talks about and how I beat my hair loss. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the #1 factor to hair growth, and that is your scalp. And I'm going to be showing you a scalp routine that I use. So how do you care for your scalp, I hear you ask? Well, it's a 3/8. Exfoliate, stimulate, and hydrate. And I'm going to be showing you this epic scalp routine that you can make at home and do every week to grow longer, thicker, more beautiful hair. And for those who are suffering from hair loss, this is super key to growing your hair. But before we get into that, let's talk about why the scalp is so important. So your scalp is so important for hair growth, and like a tree, your hair grows from its roots, and strong roots equals a healthy scalp. You should care for your scalp as it's an extension of your skin, and a tree grows big and strong if its environment is optimized. So when it has good soil and can grow freely without obstacles. Which takes us nicely to #1 of the scalp care routine. Exfoliate your scalp. This stimulates hair growth and gets rid of dandruff, dead skin cells, dirty hair, greasy hair. Basically just paving the way for your hair to grow thicker and stronger and just better. So it helps with dandruff, removing dead skin cells that's blocking the hair follicles way, plus massaging the scalp when you're exfoliating increases blood circulation, and I'm going to be talking a bit about that later, which is super important for hair growth, for thicker, longer, more beautiful hair. And this is what's going to get your hair thick. More on that later. Now I'm going to be showing you a scalp scrub that you can make at home. It's super easy. The first ingredient you are going to need is coffee granules. Mine are freshly brewed to activate the wonderful benefits of coffee. Coffee stimulates hair growth to grow thicker, more beautiful hair, and it also blocks DHT, which is a hormone that can cause hair loss. You don't have to use freshly brewed coffee, but I like to as it has those added benefits. You will also need a tablespoon of oil of your choice. I am using grapeseed oil, but you can use any oil. I like grapeseed oil as it's a really light oil, and coffee dissolves in oil, so it helps to deliver the hair growth benefits of coffee to the roots. Then you will need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and also a few drops of tea tree essential oil. It has amazing cleansing and antibacterial properties. I do like the scent. You can use any essential oil, but tea tree has got that added benefit of cleansing and lifting away any of the dead skin cells on your roots. Mix that together and you're basically good to go. You can put this in a jar or you can use it straight. Apply this on damp hair, massaging with your fingertips for at least a minute, and then wash out with water and shampoo. Use it once a week for best results. So #2 is stimulate. Your hair is dead. May it rest in peace. No, but seriously, it is. When I found out, I was like really freaked out. So your hair gets all its nutrients from blood circulation. So stimulating circulation will increase the nutrients, getting thicker, beautiful, more lovely hair. To do this, you will need to massage your scalp. I like to use a essential oil and a carrier oil, normally peppermint oil, just because it's super minty fresh, but also it has a lot of stimulating benefits and has actually been proven in clinical studies to stimulate hair growth. So it's science. Circulation means your hair will grow thicker, stronger, more beautiful. I take 5 minutes every day to massage my scalp. Some people might say 5 minutes is a little bit too long, but if you think about it, life is so stressful and hectic and just pure stress. So taking 5 minutes out of your day just to take the time, invest in yourself. I like to meditate or I self-reflect And it's just incorporating this in your everyday routine, whether it's the morning or evening, just before you want to go to bed. It's very relaxing. Just the perfect time just to kind of invest in yourself. Trust me, daddy, your hair will thank you for it. Take your fingertips, you don't want to use your nails, and massage in a circular motion. Side note, let me know in the comments below what you want to grow, whether that's your hair, your life, money, friends, career, whatever. Let me know. I want to know. I'm gonna grow, you're gonna grow, yay! We're all gonna grow. Okay, let's get into the third and final step. Thick, long hair, you want to hydrate your scalp and your hair follicles. This helps to balance your scalp and support hair growth through added nutrients for insane growth. I'm going to be showing you a simple scalp elixir that you can make at home. I use rosemary oil as it's amazing for hair growth. You are going to need argan oil. You can get this from Amazon. I like to get organic cold pressed oil. I love argan oil because it's super nourishing. Goats in the Atlas Mountains love it so much they actually climb up the trees just to eat it. Also going to need black seed oil and almond oil. Also need rosemary essential oil. It is amazing for hair growth. It stimulates blood circulation and cellular regeneration. I used it consistently and it's amazing for hair growth. It's helped me combat my hair loss and helped me grow thicker hair. Rosemary essential oil, so it's definitely a must-have in your hair routine if you want to grow longer, thicker, more beautiful hair. These oils are packed with omega fatty acids, vitamin E and linoleic, I can't even pronounce it, linoleic acids, but all of which work to moisturize your scalp. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more awesome content on growth. I'll be posting more videos on all things hair growth and lots of other stuff, so do let me know in the comments below what you would like to see more of. Thanks!